Dear students, in this chapter Algebraic Expressions, we have already discussed about basics of algebra and two operations, that is addition and subtraction on various algebraic expressions. And in the last videos, we have discussed about the multiplication of monomial as well as binomial and trinomial term or expressions. So today's video is going to be about the multiplication operation on binomial with binomial expressions. So let's get started. So students, today we will learn how to multiply binomial with binomial expressions, right? So here we will take a couple of examples to understand this concept in a better way. So here's the first question. First example I have taken, multiply x plus 6 by x plus 2. Now which type of expression is this? This is binomial expression that you know already because it contains two terms. Again, it contains two terms. So that means it will be called a binomial expression. So here we are multiplying binomial with binomial expression. So now how to multiply it? So here you will write x plus 2 at the first place and x plus 6 at the second place, right? Now how to multiply it? Again, you have to multiply x with the second bracket, right? Like this, I will write here x. You will multiply it with second bracket, complete second bracket, right? And here you will write plus 2. Plus 2 will be multiplied with the second bracket, right? So here you will write plus 2 multiplied by x plus 6. Clear? So here that means first term of this expression will be multiplied with the second expression or second bracket we can say, and the second term along with the sign will be multiplied with the second bracket, right? Now again we will apply here arrow method, right? That you have already done in the previous video, in the last video. So here you will put the arrows. You can apply here, you can write here, put here multiplication sign. That's your choice. So here I have put multiply sign. Now you will put the arrows on x as well as on the 6 from x, and from here from 2 you will apply, you will put the arrow on x as well as on 6, right? So here x will multiply with x, plus will remain plus, x will multiply with 6, plus will plus, 2 multiplied by x, and plus outer sign plus inner sign no change. So here you will write plus 2 multiplied by 6. Now again you will just underline all these because you will not get confused by all these terms writing together. So here you will underline them. Is that clear? Now we will multiply it. X multiply x, you know that it is x square, plus will remain plus, x multiply 6, that is 6x, plus 2 into 6, that is 2x, plus 2 into 6, that is 12, right? So here by multiplying 2 into x you are getting 2x, and by multiplying 2 into 6, that is 12 you are getting. So here you can see that these two middle terms are like terms with the same variable, that is x. So that means you can apply here addition operation as well, right? So here you will write x squares plus 6x plus 2x, that is 8x, right? Plus 12. Is it clear? You can do as simple as that, or you can have a partition line to the right hand side, or you can solve here like plus 6x plus 2x, it will be plus 8x. So here you will write plus 8x plus 12. So here's the answer, x squared plus 8x plus 12. This is the answer for this binomial with binomial multiplication. So now move to the another example. So the next example I'm taking here is example number 2, multiply x plus 8 by x minus 3. Now here what I'm doing, I'm writing here the second bracket first and the first bracket to the second place. Again you will multiply x with the second bracket and minus 3 with the second bracket. You will write here x with the second bracket, x plus 8, and here 3 along with its sign, that is minus, and second bracket, that is x plus 8. Now you will put arrow method here, arrows, and again arrows. You will solve these brackets with the arrow method. So here x multiply x plus x multiply 8 minus 3 into x, outer sign minus, inner sign change. So here you will write minus 3 into 8, right? Again, you will underline them. So here x multiply x, that is x square, plus x into 8 or 8 into x is 8x, minus 3 into x, that is 3x, minus 3 into 8, that is minus 24, right? So here you can see that again in the middle term, these terms are like terms with the same variable, that is x. So here you can add them up. So here it is x squared. Now plus 8 minus 3, that is plus minus sign of bigger term, subtract the number 8 minus 3, that is 5x minus 24. Again, you can solve this orally, or you can have a partition line to the right hand side like this. Plus 8x minus 3x, that is plus 5x. So here you will write here x squared plus 5x minus 24. This is what actually we needed for solving this question, right? So now next is example number 3. So now here statement is multiply y minus 7 by y minus 8. Again, binomial with binomial I'm taking here. Y minus 8 you will write here at the first place, and to the second place you will write a y minus 7. Again, you will have y with multiply with second bracket and 8 along with its sign multiply with second bracket, right? So here now y bracket y minus 7. If I'm not putting here multiplication sign, hardly matter, because whenever there is no sign before bracket within between any variables or any term, that means there is a multiplication sign. So here if I'm not putting here any sign, that means multiplication sign is present there. So that's your choice if you're putting the multiplication sign or you are not writing it. So here x multiply y minus 7 minus 8 bracket y minus 7. So here you will write y multiplied by y minus y multiplied by 7 minus y 8 multiplied by y, and outer sign minus inner sign will be changed. So here you will write plus 8 multiplied by 7. So now y means y multiplied by y, that is y square. Y multiplied by 7, that is 7y, minus 8 into y, that is minus 8y, plus 8 into 7, that is 56, right? So now here again, these are the like terms, middle terms are like terms. So you can have a partition line here and solve them here. Minus 7y minus 8y, that is minus, minus sign of minus, add the numbers, that is minus 15y. So here you will write y squared minus 15y plus 56. This is the answer for this question, right? So now move to the last example. So here's the statement, multiply a minus 3 by a plus 2. Now here again we will start the question by writing here a plus 2 at the first place and a minus 3 at the second place. This is not a compulsion. You can write first bracket at the first place, second bracket at the second place. That's your choice, right? So here I have written like this. So you will write here a multiply to the second bracket, and plus 2 will be multiplied with the second bracket. So here you will write a bracket a minus 3 plus 2 multiplied with a minus 3. Now here a multiplied by a, that is a into a minus a into 3 plus 2 into a minus plus 2 multiplied by 3, right? Now here plus 2 multiplied by minus 3. What does it mean? Outer sign plus inner sign, no change. So that is why I'm putting here minus sign, because no change is there. So here you will underline them all. So here you will get a into a, that is a square, minus 3 into a or a into 3, that is 3a, plus 2 into a, that is 2a, minus 2 into 3, that is minus 6. Again, the middle terms are the like terms because these are with the same variable, that is a. So here you will have a partition line and solve them here. Minus 3a plus 2a, that is plus minus sign of bigger term, subtract the number. So you will write here minus 1a. Clear? So the answer is a square minus 1a minus 6. So this is this pattern, and these are the steps with which we will multiply binomial with binomial expressions. Clear, students? I hope now all of you are able to do the related homework that we have already sent you in your SNAP homework. But before starting your homework, students must go through the YouTube links, because all these links will definitely help you for understanding these type of questions in a better way. Thank you.